Hello, my name is Linda Spreitzer, and I am honored to say, hey, John Oliver, back off, Knowledge Quest Academy. First of all, I want to share with you that I'm very passionate about education, so much so that in 1999, I challenged ABC TV's John Stossel on a report that he made on the TV show 2020. Within days, ABC and John Stossel had sent a crew out to my school to hear the other side of the story. I hope you'll do the same.
And one of the criticisms is totally valid.
What can someone else add to that? Tabitha?
Stossel, you left out the parents when you compared private versus public schools, wrote sixth grade teacher Linda Spreitzer and others.
Your report and the initial report of Mr. Stossel did have one thing in common. You both chose to use the examples of some, or really a few, to make a generalization to all charter schools. The one difference you had with Mr. Stossel's report is that you chose to represent charter schools in a laughable, cruel manner, which is unfair and unrepresentative of the hard work that we do every day. Now, I understand that your form of reporting is meant to be more of the entertainment genre, but to completely ignore the dedication and the pride that we take in educating our children is unconscionable. In society today, we are often able to paint things with a very broad brush, meaning that sometimes we say all, when really we mean a few. What I'd like to do today is take a little bit of a finer brush to the points that you brought up in your report. As I begin to paint with that finer brush, I do want to point out that yes, our charter schools across the nation serve over 3 million students. And yes, we do receive state funding. However, remember, many charter schools have the additional burden of paying for facilities or special services to make sure that their students are receiving what they need. In your story, you particularly made fun of those schools who had gone through a hard time without really hearing the other side of their story. Yes, you did point out some that were mismanaged, but you will find that in any occupation. You'd probably be surprised to know that my school was one of those schools that went through a struggle 4 years ago. But it's an extraordinary story that I would invite you to come take a closer look at. So in conclusion, John Oliver, are you willing to do what John Stossel did? Are you willing to come and hear the other side of the story? And beyond that, would you be willing to do this?
I was wrong to focus so much on union work rules and public school bureaucracy, because I left out the most important factor, the parents. And for that, I have to say, Stossel, give me a break.
Okay,
So John Oliver, first of all, back off my charter school. But second of all, hey, back it up. Come and visit us and hear more about charter schools. Each one of us has a wonderful story to share. I hope to see you soon.